Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I decided to put together a little list of things that I want to make this year, and to avoid overwhelming myself, I'm only starting with 13. In 6 months we'll make another video in case I get other skills and advance in something or something else catches my eye that I want to make. I wanted to just leave the opportunity open. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 13 things that I plan on making in the next 6 months of 2026. This is just a bunch of different things that I've found on Pinterest that I've saved over time to this file of things I want to make, and I decided to go through it and see what catches my eye, and I have come up with 13 things that I'm going to make. I don't think they'll be too difficult, but I am trying to learn new skills so that I can progress in my sewing journey, and I want to be a professional in like corsetry. I think that's so interesting, a very excellent skill to have. I do want to try to make a corset. That's actually the first thing on my list, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Say bye, Cheeky. If you see me looking down, it's because I have my laptop with me and I'm reading the list off of this. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this list. First thing on the list is going to be the Jaded London Odile Black Faux Leather Lace-Up Corset. I love this corset. I think it's so beautiful, and I just love the way that there's like tie-ups everywhere. I need this. I need it in red. I need it in this exact color. I'm gonna try to make that, and I feel like it's a good base of a pattern to have for a corset if I wanted. So in theory, I have a corset pattern, but yeah, we'll see. I am excited to make this one though. Number 2 on the list is going to be floral lace top that's like off the shoulder, kind of like Sade vibes, and it's like cinched at the waist, but very loose up top, and I need this as well. I think they're just super comfy, chic, casual, and they don't have to be see-through. You can do it with like any shirt style, but in particular I do want the sheer floral lace ones, so definitely gonna be making these this year. I don't have a source for these, I just saw them on Pinterest. Number 3 on the list is going to be Coraline Street's Juliana corset dress. This dress is so beautiful, and it comes with the pattern as well as tutorial on her YouTube channel, and so it's might as well obviously give it a go. And I think it's intermediate, but I know I can do it, and it also has like a corset bodice, so that's good practice for my corsetry. Really, any pattern you use that's a dress can be cut into a top, can be used as a skirt. You just have to like cut it at the right parts. Cheeky. But there's so many ways you can like alter this, so I'm super excited. I actually already purchased this. It goes for $10 right now. It's on sale. I'm not affiliated, I'm gonna share a pattern if it's good, and I haven't fully used it yet. I kind of used it, but I never finished it, so I'm excited to actually commit and fully use a pattern to its completion, because I think that's good practice too, to even know how to really assemble a pattern and use it. It's definitely going to be a learning moment. Number 4 on the list is going to be the pearl dress by Gallia Patterns on Etsy, and I came across this on YouTube actually, and then was led to Etsy to the actual pattern, so I will be using this very soon because it's so spring. It's this gorgeous skirt with pockets, and I just love the simplicity of it. It's very timeless and chic, and I really want to make some for my mom and my best friends. I'm super excited to use this one. I do already have both of these patterns printed out, so yeah, all I have to do is finally use it and finish to completion. I actually did use the pattern for the skirt and made a circle skirt. She also has quite a few videos on YouTube. They're like tutorials, but it's like broken up. It's been a while since I've seen them, but it's like multiple videos, like maybe 6 on how to do the pearl dress. I don't remember fully, don't take my word on it. Something visual is just always going to be helpful than reading like instructions on how to do it, so I appreciate a tutorial. Number 5 on the list is going to be this specific dress from a Brazilian soap opera called Tropical Paradise. I love this dress. I love that it's a halter. I love that it's sparkly. I don't have the exact fabric, but I have something like it. I just want to play around with making something summer-esque, like, and it's just very glittery, and maybe that's what gets me, but yeah, I love this. And I don't have something for that middle clip yet, but I'm excited to find something perfect. There is no reference of who made this dress or anything. A a Reddit thread that was able to let me know where the dress was from, because I had no idea that it was from that show. So shout out to that Reddit thread. Speaking of summer apparel, number 6 on the list is going to be this set that was so popular last year. I really want one and I'm gonna make it. I really like the long skirt version. I don't have a fabric for this yet, but I'm excited to thrift one because I feel like this fabric is definitely more of a thrift vibe. I love each of these colors. It definitely has to be lighter toned. Maybe I could make a black one, but I really like these and I want my very own. Okay, so in addition to this skirt set, let's consider it 6A. This is the shorts and top version. It's not going to count as its own because it's the same concept. It's like ruching the top, but I love this style. This is from the creator By Ellen with Love. She's on Instagram. She's a known artist. I think this is like her staple thing that she does. I believe Kelly Uchis got it from her as well, from one of her Instagram posts that I was obsessed with. So I want to make my own because I can. They also have a website if you want to check that out. For the most part, these I'm going to be self-drafting. I feel pretty confident in my ability to self-draft a pattern, but I also did want to learn, you know, how to use a pattern because I was struggling a little bit the first time. So definitely have a couple where we're using a pattern and then others where, you know, I want to test my ability to self-draft something. Number 7 on the list is going to be this adorable mittens and apron set. I love it. It's inspired from this vintage catalog and I actually have one already that I've made, but it's only like the lower half and it's more of like fall themed because I made it in the fall. So I'm excited to make one for the spring. I think this one is so cute. I'm trying to feel like strawberry shortcake in the kitchen. Number 8 on the list is going to be this vintage pajama set, and it's like lace, it's delicate, it's dainty, and I want it to be kind of like this one, but maybe a little more like V-shaped in the front. I also want to make the bloomer shorts to go along with it. I was also thinking about making one that's maybe a little more basic, a little more staple, just being around. I think this one is super cute from Evewear. It's the Poppy set and it's just very simple. I am planning to make my own. And I'm super excited to do it because I think it's super cute and it's definitely going to be a staple in my home. Along the same lines of making vintage pajamas, I also want to make the pants and I want them to have like the ruffles on the ends like this. I think this is so cute and fun, just so whimsical, like why not? So I'm super excited to be making these. I might make a shirt version that's like got the same ruffles at the base of it. Definitely the pants though are on the list. This one I also found on Pinterest. I have no idea where it's from. It's the only one that I found, but I really like how they look. And they're also really soft, so I'm hoping to find a material that's kind of like that, so they're actually going to be comfortable to wear and it won't be like too stiff or anything. Okay, this is the last pajama related item. Okay, I promise. I need a floor length baby doll dress like this. I need this like pronto. This is so gorgeous. Absolutely fell in love with it when I saw it. So definitely on the list. This is number 10 on the list, by the way. I totally forgot to keep track. I was just so excited about the vintage pajamas. I love vintage pajamas. I actually collect lingerie and nightgowns and all sorts of things that are like nightwear related, and I just have an obsession with vintage nightwear. So yeah, I'm super excited to be making my own little version of it. But yeah, I need the baby doll dress. Right now it's giving very pink, pastels, spring. I really like it. Number 11 on the list is going to be these homemade pillows. I love how they look. There's different versions that I want to make. I really think the heart one is super cute. That actually might be the easiest one now that I think about it. But that one's super cute with the lace trim, and then also the circle one with the little rose in the middle. I think that's adorable. Definitely want to make these this year. I think they're super easy, and I don't have any like throw pillows really. I just have like, I guess 2. So I'm excited to make my own collection of them. I just love the way these are so coquette and girly. I love flowers, if you can't tell. If you see my living room, It's very pink. Number 12 on the list is going to be these little quilted shoulder bags. I think they're so adorable. I need one. I want to make one for my bestie. I definitely have this on my list. I'm not sure if I could freehand this. I do believe I'm gonna need to get a pattern for it. I think it's a pretty easy bag to make and I'm super excited to actually do it. I think it'll be super cute to have a little shoulder bag that I made. I've also been really loving quilting, so I think it'll be super fun to be able to practice my quilting a little more, as well as making something I've never made before, which is a bag. I've never made a bag, so I'm excited for this one. And then also because I do like stuff with clay, it'll be super cute to be like able to make little custom charms to be able to attach to the bags. Like that is so adorable, and all of it will be custom. Like that is so unique and special to my heart, and I just am so excited. You can tell I'm like literally like, oh my god, like I'm gonna make this, and I have the vision in my head. Now I just need to take it out. Last but not least on my to sew list, I am going to be making a quilted tote bag, and I'm talking about one of those baby bags, those mom bags, like the big hefty ones. I really want a big chunky quilted tote bag, and I want it to be girly, and I want to put my little charms on it and bows, and I want to be able to put anything and everything in there. I don't have a travel bag right now. I mean, I do, but I would love to have like a quilted like tote bag for like travel stuff. So it's just super convenient to have one. I just want one. And I've seen some that have like elastic pockets all around the inside. I think that is really smart. A good use of the space. So I will perhaps be trying that as well on this tote bag project. I'm actually really excited to make this. And I can put my laptop and all my work stuff in it. Just be a separate bag for that. That concludes my to sew list for this next 6 months. It has to be at least 2 things every month. And I think that's definitely very doable. So I'm excited to report back and show you guys everything that I've made. All of this is going to be a learning experience. I'm definitely going to learn some new skills here. I already know that I don't know how to do a lot of this stuff. So I'm excited to find out how. I'm definitely going to be sharing the process with you guys of getting this list done and making sure we knock off every single thing on this list. If you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have anything on your to sew list. I'm definitely going to vlog my process when I'm making these. I do like sewing vlogs. I don't know about y'all, but I like watching sewing vlogs, so definitely going to be making more of those. I'm trying to post weekly. I was a little late on this past one, but I posted nonetheless when you see this, so I am definitely sticking to it this year. There is so much to document on this sewing journey, and I just want to share it with you guys. We're going to pick up a hobby this year, okay? Let me know in the comments below if you have anything on your to sew list, or if you're picking up any new hobby this year to fight the brain rot and the doom scrolling, or just if you have a passion that you finally are digging into. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching my technically first video of the new year, and I hope you guys are having a great year so far. It's been 2 weeks, and I'm so excited for the rest of the year and everything, all the opportunities, all the achievements. I'm so excited for you, and I'm so excited for me, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.